Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Ben and this is an RGH sort of solution slash fix sort of problem. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So if you got this problem, which is going to be exactly the same as it says on the title, you're on your RGH console and you cannot create a new profile. This is the first time it ever happened to me and I found the solution out, so I thought I'll share it with any of you guys. So if you guys come with the same problem, you'll be able to fix it. It's pretty simple fix anyway, so let's get straight into it. So we're going to go and create a profile. So this is for you if you've got an RGH/JTAG console and you go to create a profile. Let's create right now, and then we're going to go straight on to join Xbox Live. When it decides to come up, just going to click our avatar first. Just wait for it to load. It's a little bit slow today for some reason. Just go that, select that. And then I'm just going to go save and exit because we don't need to customize our avatar at all. Just wait for it to load. Then we will need to go and click the start button, and then let's go down to join Xbox Live. Join Xbox Live, just checking the network status, etc. That's not a problem. And then we're going to go straight into it. Just going to click continue and then just write in anyone's name. This is just to show you what the problem is anyway, so it doesn't matter what email address, it's just going to be a fake one anyway. You don't need to do anything for it. And then the password, let's just do the password is this. Let's do it again just to show you. This is only demonstration for sort of purposes right here. And then he wants me to ask a security question. And just type random numbers in again, just do a random date. As long as it's over 18 or so, there you go, and continue. Right, now this is where it gets up to the problem. Okay guys, so you accept it, it's going to be creating your new profile, and this is the error that comes up. So it comes up with an error saying, sorry if this action can't be performed at this time, please try again later, visit blah 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 for more information. And the error code is 801542B. Okay guys, this is how you fix error code 815402B. It's pretty simple really. I'm not going to be showing you how to do it because it's pretty straightforward and I can't be bothered to go through all the steps just for doing it. It's not that long really. All you got to do is head over to xbox.com or .co.uk, whatever you prefer. Go onto the website, click on the top right hand corner where it says sign up or log in. You want to make up a new account through their website. Go all through the stages of doing that, and once you get through all their stages and it says your account, Microsoft account has been complete, you go back onto your Xbox, like so, and you go back onto the same menu where you log in, like here, and then you want to come across and you want to click on download profile. I've already done mine, but you just go on to download profile and just do where it says it's going to ask you for your email address, and it's going to say ask you your password, and it will download it for you. It might take a minute or two to download your profile, but I'm 100% that it will work for you doing it this way. Usually I've been able to go on and create profiles, and most of you guys probably still can create profiles through your RGH console, just through the main menu like so. But for any of you get the error code that come up on the screen just a second ago, or can't either create a profile at all, even if you get another one, just try that method of going into xbox.com or .co.uk, creating a new account and downloading your profile. Or even that, if you don't really fancy going on the computer, being lazy and actually just going on to xbox.com, etc., you can always ask a friend to create you a free account with a free trial, etc., like that, and do it that way and just download their account through your console. But anyway guys, I hope you've been enjoying these videos and everything. Make sure you leave a comment down below on how I can improve my videos, and I'll see you in the next video guys.